My name is Darren from ADJD, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of a great conversation with Karen. Karen, could you please introduce yourself?
Hey, Darren, thank you so much. My name is Karan Thabrani. I have my own law firm here in the UAE, Chakra Legal and Corporate Services. I am an Indian qualified lawyer, and I was born and brought up in Dubai. I grew up in India, and then I came back to Dubai. So I've been in Dubai for a while to know the areas of work. I am a DIFC qualified lawyer, and with will registrations, one of the jurisdictions to register is DIFC. And with this DIFC registration, that enables me to help clients get their will registered in the DIFC.
Okay, so as you mentioned before, life is complicated, right? So circumstances change. So in terms of keeping the will up to date and updating it, what does that process look like?
So in terms of getting your will amended, there's the DIFC that allows the amendment to happen, and they charge 575 dirhams for each time an amendment is made. And I would say fairly so, given the amount that they charge in the beginning to get your will registered. So you can amend your will with DIFC by paying that fee. With the mainland courts, which is the Dubai courts and ADJD, you go through the registration process again, and you can mention in the will to say that any previous wills registered or drafted for me are hereby revoked. And you also have an option to revoke your will. So you can either just re-register the will and have that clause in, or you can get the will re-registered. And if you would like an extra safety net, you also revoke the previous will.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you very much. But with those, do you get a discount on the price as well, like you do with the DIFC?
No, it's just the DIFC that gives you this discounted price. With the mainland courts, you're paying a fixed fee.
Okay, full fare. Okay, thank you. And Karen, if people want to get in touch with you and find out more about your services, what's the best way to find you?
The best way to find me would be through my website. So that's chakralegal.ae. That's CHAKRA, chakralegal.ae, or my email, karan@chakralegal.ae.
Fantastic.